Hello, so this is a wonderful question under refraction of light. So how can we answer this exam question? The question is saying an experiment as shown below is done to study refraction of light from air into glass. So now the first thing you need to ask yourself is what is refraction? So you know that refraction is just the bending of light as it passes through two different media. So that is refraction. There is refraction, which is the bouncing back of light, but here this question is falling under refraction, which is the bending of light. The first question here, label on the diagram the angle of incidence. So which one is the angle of incidence? So we want to label the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence, you need to understand that it is between the incident ray and the normal ray. So this ray is called the incident. So we get to call that one as the incident ray. This is called the incident ray. This is what you are supposed to know. So it is called the incident ray. So the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray, it is called the angle of incidence, which is represented by I. So that is the angle of incidence. You are done. You've labeled on the diagram the angle of incidence. Then question B, we move to question B. Question B is saying calculate the refractive index of the glass. For you to be able to calculate the refractive index of the glass, you need to understand the formula. So the refractive index is given by the formula where we say refractive index is equal to where we say sine what? Sine I, where you know that I, that is the angle of incidence, over sine R. R, that is the angle of refraction. So this is a particular formula we get to use, where we say this is now equal to, this is equal to, what is the angle of incidence? I've already told you that the angle of incidence, it is here. So here we are making a right angle. We are given 46. For us to find the I, what we are going to do, we are going to say 90 minus 46. What answer are we getting when we subtract there? 90 minus 46. What is the answer? The answer that we are getting is 44. So meaning that I is equal to what? 44 degrees. How about R? R, this one, this ray is called the refracted ray. It is called the what? This one is called the refracted ray. This is the normal ray. So the angle of refraction is between the normal ray and the refracted ray. So this is what you need to get. So meaning this one is 38. We are given there 38. So I'll just put 38 degrees. I say incidence, that is sine 44 over, I say sine 38. So meaning that refractive index, which is a ratio, it doesn't have units. So when you divide there, use your calculator. What is sine 44 divided sine 38? The answer you are getting should be 1 point. Kindly confirm with me. 12, something like 1.128. So this is the answer that I'm getting. Kindly confirm with me if this answer is correct. So you now discover that this is also the refractive index of glass. So for this particular question, we were told to find the refractive index of the glass. So the refractive index of the glass is this one. So the answer is 1.128, just like that. We move now to the last question. So we now go to the last question. So this is question C. How can we answer this particular question? How is the question? How is the question? This is the question. The question is saying refraction of light occurs as light enters our eyes. So they are telling you to say refraction is going to occur even as light enters our eyes, then they're telling us to say, suggest the importance of refraction of light in the eyes. So they just want us to give an importance. So what you need to understand that this one it is very important because it causes the formation of images inside the eyes. So it is very important because, so I'm saying because it does what? Because it causes, so because it causes the formation, it causes the what? It causes the formation, it causes the formation of images, the formation of images inside the eye. Inside the what? Inside the eye. This is what you are supposed to know. So these are good questions that each student is supposed to understand. Even as you get to enter an exam, you need to know these particular questions. So you now discover that the ray of light from objects enters the eyes and converges by the lenses into what we get to call a retinal. So you are going to understand that the retinal or the retinal, this one it has got a very sensitive cells. So all these things we are going to understand them when we start talking about lenses. But for now, this is what I add for you, and I guess you've learned one or two things. This is how you expect questions in an exam. This is where we are going to end from. Those of you that are interested in starting lessons with us, here to help you get a distinctions in the subjects that you are facing challenges. So you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So this is my WhatsApp number. So this is +260971066 like this 67. So this is my number. So this is my number. You can WhatsApp me. I'm going to help you get a distinction at an affordable fee. I've got a Facebook page. You can also follow me on Facebook. This is my official Facebook page name. So you can also follow me on Facebook. This is Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. Just like this own name. From here up to there, just type this name and follow me on Facebook. I want more followers even on my Facebook page. So you can follow me on Facebook. This is my official Facebook page name, Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you recommend someone. If you've seen someone that is struggling with mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, we are here to help out. So this is my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.